Hey, I'm Louise from Extra Inch Hair Extensions, and I am here today to show you the difference between the colour we currently have here and what it will become if we tone it with our blue shampoo product. This will lighten it up a little bit and help it blend better. So the good thing about our product is it's designed for hair extensions, so it's not going to grab to the hair like some other brands of blue shampoo and turn your hair purple. You can probably leave it on for around a minute to 2 minutes and it's still going to wash off and we're going to have the blonde look. So today I'm going to give you an example of how to tone the extensions, whether it's the extensions that you've bought online or whether the ones that I've applied and you're obviously doing it in the shower. So you'd obviously get some water. You don't want it to be too diluted. And then we get our product and put a couple of squirts in there. Yeah. Alright, so give it a little bit of a mix up. If it was in the shower, you'd obviously give it a good mix up on your hands. And you want to submerge the hair in the liquid completely. If you were in the shower, you'd obviously rub it all over your hair. So once you've had it sitting for about 2 minutes, it depends on how much you want to tone it, you scrape the excess off. And as you can see, we're not purple. And then as usual, you would rinse thoroughly. So your next step is to put a deep moisturising conditioner through it. We offer either the Muck brand or our own brand, as you can see over here. So you'll probably want to leave this on for about a minute. Give it a good rinse like you would any normal shampoo. And you can already see how much more toned and blonder it's looking.